Welcome to Fix It All official channel. Today, you will learn about one-of-a-kind energy storage battery that will make an important shift in the renewable energy and clean electricity paradigm. At the time of releasing this video, it is obvious to state that the majority of batteries powering our modern devices such as smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles are still lithium-ion based batteries. These sophisticated energy storage systems contain liquid electrolytes that facilitate the movement of energy within the battery. However, it is important to note that these liquid electrolytes pose certain risks. If the battery experiences excessive heat, there is a potential for combustion or even explosion. The China-based BYD company, an electric vehicle powerhouse giant, has recently unveiled the launch of all-solid-state batteries, a groundbreaking innovation that builds upon BYD's already impressive Blade battery technology. These state-of-the-art batteries are poised to revolutionize the industry, boasting the capability to fully charge a vehicle in a mere 10 minutes. While this may sound like a concept from a science fiction narrative, it represents a monumental advance in electric vehicle and energy storage technology as a whole. With exceptional range and rapid charging abilities, BYD is redefining the possibilities of sustainable transportation. But what implications does this hold for the future of electric vehicles and for drivers worldwide? Moreover, all-solid-state batteries offer greater efficiency and a longer lifespan, reaching 100 years on average, boasting a higher energy density that allows them to store more energy within the same volume as traditional batteries. This increased capacity enables vehicles to travel much greater distances on a single charge. Some models can exceed hundreds of miles, which is particularly advantageous for those who wish to embark on long journeys without the concern of running out of power. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, began its journey in 1995 as a battery manufacturer. Since then, it has ascended to the pinnacle of the electric vehicle industry, surpassing Tesla to become the world's leading EV manufacturer. Is BYD now enjoying the fruits of its labor? BYD's decision to transition to all-solid-state batteries stems from their superior safety and efficiency compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. Manufacturing these advanced batteries requires highly controlled conditions and involves a labor-intensive process, at least for the time being, especially in comparison to traditional lithium-ion production. At the heart of BYD's mission lies a profound commitment to sustainability, and all-solid-state batteries embody this vision perfectly. These advanced batteries offer enhanced efficiency and durability, resulting in a significant reduction in the resources required for their production and replacement over time. Furthermore, they pave the way for a decreased dependency on environmentally and ethically contentious materials, such as cobalt, often linked to harmful mining practices. Through the incorporation of this cutting-edge technology across diverse sectors, BYD can amplify its influence and play a pivotal role in shaping the future of energy. Moreover, all-solid-state batteries align seamlessly with BYD's dedication to global carbon reduction initiatives. In an era where governments are tightening emissions regulations, the automotive industry must embrace innovation to keep pace. BYD has consistently been at the forefront, delivering solutions that not only meet but surpass regulatory standards. By adopting all-solid-state batteries, BYD can manufacture vehicles that are not only more efficient and reliable but also contribute significantly to the transition towards cleaner energy systems worldwide. By pursuing sustainable alternatives, BYD not only minimizes its ecological footprint but also positions itself as a leader in championing greener industry practices. The remarkable versatility of all-solid-state batteries further propels BYD's innovative edge. While their primary association may be with electric vehicles, their applications extend far beyond the automotive realm. As a front-runner in renewable energy storage, BYD can leverage all-solid-state batteries to enhance the efficiency of energy storage solutions from solar and wind resources. Additionally, these batteries hold promise for integration into a variety of devices, including drones, smartphones, and medical equipment. Why is this development so significant? Consider the hours spent in relentless traffic, confined to a system that has seen little evolution over the decades. As cities expand and roads become increasingly congested, we find ourselves investing more time than ever merely to travel from one location to another. But what if you could transcend all of that? What if you could soar above the congestion, taking to the skies to reach your destination effortlessly? That is the promise offered by China's flying car, poised to revolutionize transportation as we know it. A hallmark of XPeng Motors' success lies in its commitment to technology. The company excels in integrating cutting-edge innovations into its vehicles, allowing them to stand out in the competitive electric vehicle marketplace. XPeng Motors was co-founded in 2014 in Guangzhou, China, by He Xiaopeng, a former senior executive at Alibaba, and Xiaohen, a former senior executive in the industry. Let that sink in for a moment as we prepare to witness a profound transformation in the way we navigate, live, and conceptualize transportation. This is not merely another electric vehicle or a high-tech gadget, it signifies the first genuine step toward a new lifestyle, and it is unfolding in China. As we witness these remarkable transformations within the automotive landscape, it is evident that we are on the cusp of an exhilarating new era. Traditional combustion engines and electric vehicles are both making significant advancements, each presenting distinctive advantages. These new, advanced engines possess the potential to one day outshine electric vehicles, delivering the convenience of conventional cars while meeting our environmental needs. Conversely, many firmly believe that electric vehicles represent the sole path forward. Which perspective will you embrace? As we conclude this video, we turn our attention to the rise of XPeng Motors. The moment has finally arrived. The dream of flying cars, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, has become a tangible reality. China has accomplished the unprecedented by introducing the world's first functional flying car, transforming a fantastical concept into a groundbreaking innovation. This division is dedicated to pioneering airborne technology, having introduced the revolutionary XPeng X2, a remarkable flying car. Their ambition is to fuse the practicality of a conventional automobile with the liberating essence of flight. With the XPeng X2, XPeng Aero HT elevates this vision to unprecedented heights. The vehicle's VTOL technology and autonomous flying systems signify a remarkable advancement in personal mobility. By harmonizing cutting-edge aerodynamics, electric propulsion, and autonomous navigation, XPeng Aero HT establishes a new benchmark in the flying car sector. As XPeng Motors gazes into the future, it remains steadfast in its commitment to innovation and growth. With a focus on technology, sustainability, and global outreach, XPeng is strategically positioned to influence the future landscape of transportation. Through collaborations with technology firms, research institutions, and industry experts, XPeng ensures it remains at the forefront of innovation. This extensive network of partnerships fosters the development of pioneering technologies, including those integral to the XPeng X2. But what exactly is this groundbreaking flying car, the XPeng X2, and how does it operate? Allow us to delve into the mechanics of this extraordinary vehicle and explore how it is poised to revolutionize our understanding of transportation. Measuring 5,172 mm in length, 5,124 mm in width, and 1,362 mm in height, with a curb weight of 680 kg and a maximum payload of 160 kg, the X2 is more akin to a drone than a traditional car. Its compact design, paired with advanced capabilities, signifies not just an exciting advancement but a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. At its essence, the XPeng X2 is crafted to be a versatile vehicle. On the ground, it operates as a sleek, high-tech car, adept at navigating urban streets and highways with the ease of any conventional vehicle. Welcome to the era of flying cars. The XPeng X2 is a sleek and sophisticated vehicle that seamlessly merges the functionality of a car with the exhilaration of flight. Imagine a vehicle that not only traverses the roads like any other but can also ascend vertically, soar through the skies, and deftly evade the traffic below. This is precisely what the XPeng X2 delivers. This is not merely a concept or prototype, it is a fully operational flying car that is generating excitement around the world. Developed by XPeng Aero HT, a subsidiary of XPeng Motors, the XPeng X2 marks a significant milestone in both automotive and aviation technology. Designed for short urban journeys, the XPeng X2 is also environmentally conscious, boasting zero carbon dioxide emissions during flight, as stated by the company. Its unique VTOL technology further enhances its practicality, allowing for effortless landings without the need for large, dedicated airstrips. This remarkable feature not only makes urban air travel feasible but also adds a level of flexibility and convenience that traditional aircraft cannot offer. With this pioneering technology, you can navigate the complexities of dense city landscapes and effortlessly bypass traffic snarls by elevating it into the sky. The XPeng X2 is meticulously engineered with wheels that adapt navigate various road conditions, ensuring a ride that is both smooth and comfortable. However, the true marvel lies in its transformative capability. With a simple push of a button or through its sophisticated control system, the Xpeng X2 effortlessly converts into an aerial vehicle. Its rotors or propellers extend, allowing it to ascend vertically, no lengthy runways or expansive spaces required. This means you can glide above the congestion of city traffic, significantly enhancing your commute speed and efficiency. As battery technology advances, safety remains a top priority for vehicles, energy storage systems, and renewable energy plants. Solid-state batteries offer a significant safety advantage over conventional lithium-ion batteries, reducing risks of fire, thermal runaway, and hazardous failures. One key safety test is the nail penetration test, which simulates internal short circuits. While NCM, nickel-cobalt-manganese, lithium-ion batteries exhibit highly explosive and dangerous reactions under this test, solid-state batteries remain extremely stable even under the harshest conditions. This exceptional safety performance makes them a highly promising solution for everyday technologies, ensuring reliability and security in future energy and mobility applications. To sum it up, solid-state batteries represent a groundbreaking advancement in energy storage, offering higher safety, efficiency, and energy density compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Among the various solid electrolytes, LLZO, lithium lanthanum zirconate, stands out as one of the safest and most promising options for the future. As research continues to evolve, we can expect solid-state technology to revolutionize everything from electric vehicles to renewable energy storage to VTOL drones. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the future of battery technology.